Okay, number 11 is a mixture problem for coins. So let's draw our standard table. So we have the number of coins times the value equals the amount of money that those coins are worth. For 11, we have nickels, and dimes, and a mix. Again, not sure we're going to be able to get our equations, but we use this to organize our data. So we have, let's see, Phil has 50 nickels and dimes, so that's the mix, worth $4.15, worth $4.15. How many dimes does he have? So again, we fill in what we know, N and D. A nickel is worth 0.05, a dime is worth 0.10, and we multiply across each row. So this is 0.05N, that's how much value his nickels are, and 0.1D, that's the value of the dimes. So our two equations come from our columns, right? So we get N plus D equals 50, and the second equation, was the third column, right, is 0.05N plus 0.1D equals 4.15. And let's solve, what does the question say? How many dimes do we have? So I'm going to solve the top one for nickels, right? Oh, let me write that neater. So the top equation would be N equals 50 minus D, right? And the bottom equation stays the same. 0.05N plus 0.1D equals 4.15. So now we could use substitution, right? I'm going to take this 50 minus D, and I'm going to substitute it in for N. So that gives us 0.05 times N, which is 50 minus D, plus 0.1D equals 4.15. Now we distribute in 0.05 times 50. 0.1 times 50 would be 5, so this is 2.5, minus 0.05D plus 0.1D equals 4.15. Now we'll come up here. I combine my like terms, so I have 2.5 minus 0.05D plus 0.1D is plus 0.05D equals 415. So subtract 2.5 from both sides, so I have 0.05D equals, that's $1.65, right? $4 minus 250 would be $1.50, so another 15 cents. And then we divide both sides by 0.05, right? And this gives us D equals 0.05 into 165, 33. So 33 dimes. If it asked for how many nickels there were, then we could go to this equation, right? And say nickels plus dimes, 33, equals 50. So nickels equals 17 nickels. But in this case, it did not ask us that, so we wouldn't give that answer.